Hi, what would you like to order? Could I have 2 crepes with strawberry and banana, please? Here you go. Thank you. Hi, 1 vanilla ice cream, please. Thank you. Hi, 7 apples and 4 kiwis, please. Oh no, no pure banana. Thank you. Could I have 1 burger, please? Here you go. Thank you. Could I have 1 baguette, please? Thank you. One pint of milk, please. Thank you. Two slices of pizza, please. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, please click on like button to let us know. Remember to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.